Welcome guys, in this video I will write the Python program for the fourth exercise of chapter 8. This is the Morse Code Converter program. Morse code is a code where each letter of English alphabet, each digit and various punctuation characters are represented by a series of dots and dashes. As displayed in the table, write a program that asks the user to enter a string, then convert the string to Morse code. Let's write the program. Here define a dictionary to map the characters to the Morse code. So create a dictionary Morse code to store the Morse code for different characters. Here place the equal sign. First of all, set the Morse code for space. Morse code for space is also the space. After this, store the Morse code for comma, which is hyphen hyphen, hyphen hyphen, dot dot, hyphen hyphen. After this, store the Morse code for dot, which is dot hyphen dot hyphen dot hyphen. After this, store the Morse code for question mark. Morse code for question marks is dot dot hyphen hyphen dot dot. And similarly store the Morse code for all characters in this dictionary. Now Morse code for all characters is stored in this dictionary. Now prompt the user to enter a string. So create a variable user input and set this equal input enter a string and convert this string to upper letters. After this, convert the string to Morse code. So create a variable Morse code and set this equal empty string dot jan. Morse code, sorry, here give this the name Morse code dictionary. Morse code dictionary and give the character. Now use the for loop for character in user input. Morse code is equal to empty string dot join Morse code dictionary for characters for character in user input. At the end, display the Morse code for given string. Print Morse code value stored in the Morse code variable. Let's run the program. Enter a string, enter Asif. Morse code for Asif is dot hyphen dot hyphen dot. Similarly, you can run for other string. Let enter 0. Morse code for 0 is hyphen 5 times.